watermelon, I've used the scrape you have seen in my last video, in which I showed you how to perfectly cut the watermelon, and whatever the leftover like scrapes, how I remove the scrapes. And then we're gonna use lime and lemon. The lemon, it has a nice sweet flavor, so we are going to use the lemon. And strawberry I'm using for additional flavor, but if you don't have a strawberry, then it's fine. And you can use honey or sugar. I'm going to use sugar, but you can use honey if you want. So in a cup we are going to add a little bit of water, and then we're going to add sugar. Stir it until the sugar dissolves completely. Now I'm going to squeeze a lemon. It has a nice citrusy sweet flavor to it, so that's why I like to use lemon. And I'm adding half lime juice. Keep this aside, and I'm going to take a blending jar, add the watermelon, and strawberries. Now you can choose more or less according to your preference. And I'm just going to blend this. Now take a pitcher or a jug and add crushed ice, or you can add ice cubes, and add the lemon mixture and the watermelon mixture. Stir well. You can also add chopped strawberries in it if you like. Now take a serving glass and pour this drink, and decorate with some strawberries and lime wedges like this, and mint leaves. Make it look more refreshing. Now you can enjoy this chilled on a summer evening, and it will refresh you, it will hydrate you, it will rejuvenate. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment below in the comment box how do you like this recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.